Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I'm going to show you for tutorial 3, question 1a. We have to prove that there is firstly linear or non-linear. Second is causal or non-causal. Third is time variant or time invariant. And lastly is memory or memoryless. Okay, for linear and non-linear, we have to prove two things, which is additive rules, add rule, and scaling rule. Okay, so now we are going to move on for the first one, which is number 1. We have to prove if it's linear or non-linear. Okay, for non-linear, we have two things we have to do, which is additive rule. So we have firstly we have to y1t equal to x1t and y2t equal to x2t. Now we have to just add these two, which will be cut. We will get x1t plus x2t. Okay, so for the another one is when we edit it first, so x1 plus x2 equal to x1t plus x2t. So as we can see here, both of this not equal. So because of additive is not equal, so the system is non-linear because one of the additive rule is broken. There is no additive rule, so it is not additive rule is not proven, so it is non-linear. So for the second one, if we see here, the second one is compound, causal or non-causal. So causal or non-causal. So for this one, we have to do it like this. y0 equal to x0, y negative 1 is equal to x negative 1. So as we can see, both of this value depends on the past and present value. That's why this system is causal. There we go. Now for the third one, as we can see, the third one we have to remind time variant or time invariant. So the third one is we do it like this. Yt equal to xt minus t0, or we will put it first in the input, then in the system, equal to x. So both of them we got it the same. It is equal. So this system is time invariant. Time invariant. Yay, there we go. So for the fourth one, we have to know memory or memoryless. So for this one, we have to do it like this. Y0 equal to x, y0 equal to x0. So as we can see, it changed. Change depends on the future value. So the system is memoryless. That's all from me. Thank you. I hope you understand my video.